This is Ram Kumar. I got an opportunity to undergo training here in Chennai Fertility Center for embryology training. So initially, I am here now to share some of my experiences during my training program. So before that, I would like to thank Dr. V.M. Thomas sir for giving me an opportunity to work under the guidance of Dr. Krishna Vigneshan sir and Abhinaya ma'am. And here, regarding my experiences, the one training which I undergone is embryology, and here within this embryology I got chance to work with both andrology and embryology also. In case of andrology, where we are looking into the semen preparation and the processing of the sample and also the semen analysis. Under semen preparation, I got chance to work with different techniques like density gradient, pelleting method, swim up method, etc. And also in case of this semen analysis, I have gone into the various indices like viscosity, pH, and liquefaction time, and also the sperm motility and vitality. And for vitality, the different tests which I have seen also. And apart from this, in case of this embryology, I got chance to look into the various techniques like oocyte screening, and also their grading, and also their vitrification, and also like how to go for the cumulus removal by using the highest treatment. So all these techniques have been undergone under the guidance of Ignesh sir, and really it's a good training program where we got chance not to it's not like that. For example, if today is something we are looking into oocyte grading, it is not that it's restricted for today itself. Apart from that, today we learn the technique, and tomorrow we got chance to repeat the technique again. It's not that time slot basis. Whenever you're free from the technique, then only go for the next technique. It's a really good training program. And here I would like to thank this Abhinaya ma'am also for each and every step she's back to us, and for regarding the lunch, she's providing very good lunch also. Apart from all this, the best part of this training program is the learning of this ICSI method, that is intracytoplasmic sperm injection method. Here we are working with this instrument for the past 1 week, where we got able to understand the instrument, and where we got the training in alignment, needles alignment, and also the sample preparation also here. And this is the best method, and moreover, nowhere in any of the instrument, any of the center, you will get the chance to work with this instrument for the 1 week. And this is the instrument which I am working here. And here I got chance to work with both types of methods. One is pneumatic, and the other is the hydraulic. Both are really good. And apart from that, last but not least, there are two PhD diploma students here working here. That is Harita and Samira. These two also trained us a lot. They helped us a lot for this training program. Really, it's a really good chance for everyone, all of you, to join here this program for this 2 weeks embryology training certificate program. Thank you.